Namaste children. Welcome back to your next academic year portions. Today in English we are going to start our new lesson. I hope you will give full support by learning the lessons and also listening the video. Can you able to look at a picture here in the slide? What is missing in that picture? Can you able to see what the boys are doing? They are playing cricket, but no one is having bat with them, so the bat is missing. Our lesson name is also the missing bat. Okay, it was written by Vaishali Shroff. She is the author of this lesson. Now we are going to enter into the lesson. First we are going to see the characters of the lesson. Abdul Rahman Chacha, he is a owner of a cricket bat factory. And next, Ahmad is the son of Amir. Amir is a worker in Chacha's factory, and then other workers in the factory. Only these characters are going to be present in this lesson. Now we will see the story. Abdul Rahman Chacha owned a big cricket bat factory in Sangam near Srinagar. Okay, as I told before itself by introducing the character, Abdul Rahman Chacha was the owner of a bat factory. Where was the factory? The factory is in Sangam near Srinagar. He always walked with his walking stick because he is a old man. So he used to walk with this walking stick. Have you seen the walking stick? The old people used to have in their hand. It will help them to walk. Ahmad's father Amir was a worker at Chacha's factory. So Ahmad's father worked in Chacha's factory as an employee. He was working there in the factory for a long time. Ahmad stayed with them at the factory every day after school. So what this Ahmad used to do, after coming from the school, he used to stay with his father in the factory and spend his time. Ahmad likes to play cricket. His dream is to become like Sachin Tendulkar. So what this Ahmad wants to do always, he likes to play cricket because his ambition is to become like Sachin Tendulkar, a big cricket player. So regularly when he comes back to the factory, he used to play the cricket. If Chacha caught Ahmad with a bat in his hands, he used to shout at him to keep the bat. Whenever this Chacha, that is Abdul Rahman, sees Ahmad having bat in his hand, he always used to shout at him to keep the bat aside. Okay. Chacha used to count the stocks of bats before the warehouse closes and also in the morning when it opens. What this Chacha used to do, he regularly counts the number of stocks of bats in the factory before closing the warehouse. Warehouse is nothing but the place where many things can be stored. It is called as warehouse. So this Chacha used to count the number of bats available before closing the warehouse and also when he is opening the warehouse in the morning also. It is his daily duty. One fine morning, when Chacha counted the stock out and loaded it into his truck, he found that there was a bat missing. So one fine day, what happened when he was counting the stocks and he was loading it into the truck, he found that one bat was missing. So we'll see what happened next. Chacha was furious because he had admired the bat just the previous evening. What is meant by furious? Very angry. He became very angry because last evening only he was seeing that bat and he was very happy to see that bat. Because why he was happy to see the bat? It was the biggest and lightest one of all. All bats are there in the stock. Only one bat he admired is it is very big and light to carry. So yesterday evening only Chacha was seeing that bat and today it was missing. So he got very angry. Chacha gathered the workers and asked them about the missing bat. The next minute, what he did, he gathered all the workers in the factory and asked them to stand in a row. And he started to question them how the bat was missing. He shouted all of them, and his eyes found Amir. A bat can't disappear overnight, can it? So he started to shout at all of them. And last his eyes went to Amir and he is asking Amir how the bat can disappear in overnight, because yesterday evening only Chacha was seeing the bat in the factory, but now it was missing. So he got tensed and asking Amir, where is Ahmed today, Amir? I don't know. See him around. Ahmed is not well, Chacha. So Chacha is asking, where is Ahmed? Why he didn't come to factory today? So Amir replied that Ahmed was not well. He is feeling sick. Amir answered. Suddenly the workers began to giggle and they burst into laughter. Giggle is nothing but laugh softly. They started to laugh softly by seeing Chacha, and then suddenly they burst into laughter, means started to laugh loudly without seeing anyone. All the workers started to laugh loudly. They found the missing bat which Chacha was having instead of walking stick. So where was the bat now? The bat was with Chacha. Instead of taking his walking stick, he has taken the bat in his hand, so that only he is not able to found the bat here in the warehouse. So what happened? All the workers started to laugh and Chacha was very surprised to see that. I hope you would have interested by listening to the story. And next part, I'm going to give the meanings for the words which are mentioned in the lesson. Hard words. Giggle. Giggle means laugh softly. In a very low voice we used to laugh. That is called as giggle. We will close our mouth with the hand and we used to laugh. That is called as giggle. Next, flick. Flick means sudden. Third one, overnight. Overnight is during night. Dentures. Dentures is nothing but false teeth. False teeth means because Chacha is an old man, he don't have teeth, so he was wearing the dentures. Quirt. Quirt is nothing but shook. Shook is shaking the head. Stacked. Piled one on top of another. Placing the bats one on the top of the another. It's called as stacked. Now is your learning activities, that is the assignment. Frame sentence using the words given in the synonyms. In the last slide we have seen the synonyms, right? 6 synonyms I have given you, and I also given the meaning of the synonyms. What you have to do, you have to write it as an assignment by framing sentence with those words. I hope you would have enjoyed the lesson very well. Thank you, children.